Meaning of gotcha.
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 Gotcha. Gotcha is an informal expression used to indicate that someone has been caught or tricked. It can also be used to confirm that an understanding has been reached. The term is often connotative of a playful or lighthearted tone. For instance, if someone plays a prank on you and you realize it, you might say gotcha, to acknowledge that you've figured out their joke. Alternatively, if you are discussing a complex topic with someone and they summarize the key points, you might respond with gotcha to indicate that you understand.